Hi, everyone. My name is John Gephardt, and I'm the sales manager for the ISSA show in North America. And our ISSA family brands is thrilled to be heading to Baltimore.
I'm Katie Cook. I'm the program manager for GBAC, a division of ISSA, and we're so excited to be an exhibitor at the upcoming AAHOA conference.
Hi, everyone. I'm Katrina Brown. I'm a GBAC analyst with GBAC, a division of ISSA. We are excited at what the future holds for our industry, and we're going to continue to focus on cleaning for healthy environments.
So stop by our booth 1230, and see all the solutions that ISSA can provide you, from education to training to certification programs.
So even the many wonderful benefits of ISSA membership and more information on our upcoming ISSA show in Chicago this October.
We've got the solution to all of your hotel cleaning needs.
But wait, there are more great things. We are giving over $7,500 away in prizes.
$7,500?
Yep, you heard me right, $7,500. It's a win-win for everybody.
Well, then you should definitely stop by our booth 1230 and let us show you how ISSA can make your 2022 the best year yet.
See you all in Baltimore.